welcome back to my channel. Today, we're featuring a dish that's colorful, vibrant, and packed with flavor, sweet and sour lapu-lapu. This dish is a staple at Filipino celebrations, often served whole, making it both a visual centerpiece and a crowd favorite. Crispy fish, glossy sauce, and that perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors, this one always steals the spotlight. Sweet and sour, lapu-lapu reflects the strong Chinese influence on Filipino cuisine. Long before modern restaurants existed, Chinese traders and migrants introduced techniques like deep frying fish and using sweet and sour sauces made from vinegar, sugar, and tomato-based ingredients. Filipino cooks embraced these flavors and adapted them using local ingredients and native fish. Lapu-lapu, or grouper, is prized for its firm, white flesh that holds up well to frying and saucing. Because of its quality and size, it's often reserved for special occasions like birthdays, fiestas, and family gatherings. Serving the fish whole is also symbolic. It represents abundance and good fortune, which is why it's common at celebrations. The dish starts with a whole lapu-lapu, cleaned, scored, and lightly seasoned before being deep fried until golden and crisp. This frying step is key. It creates a crunchy exterior that contrasts beautifully with the tender flesh inside. Once fried, the fish is set aside while the sauce comes together. The sweet and sour sauce is made by sautéing garlic, onions, and bell peppers, followed by pineapple chunks, vinegar, sugar, and tomato sauce or ketchup. The result is a bright, glossy sauce that's tangy, sweet, and slightly savory. Some versions add carrots or a bit of cornstarch, slurry to thicken the sauce and give it that signature restaurant-style shine. When the sauce is poured over the crispy fish, magic happens. The edges soak up the sauce while the center stays crisp, creating layers of texture and flavor in every bite. The sweetness balances the acidity, while the mild flavor of the lapu-lapu lets the sauce shine without overpowering the dish. Flavor-wise, sweet and sour lapu-lapu is bright, balanced, and incredibly satisfying. It's approachable for first-time Filipino food eaters while still being beloved by locals. It pairs perfectly with steamed rice, which absorbs the extra sauce and completes the meal. One fun trivia about this dish is that many Filipino families judge a restaurant by its sweet and sour fish. If the sauce is well balanced and the fish stays crispy, it's considered a sign of good cooking, more than just a recipe. Sweet and sour. Lapu-lapu represents Filipino hospitality, colorful, generous, and meant to be shared. It's the kind of dish that brings everyone to the table. So that's sweet and sour lapu-lapu, a celebration dish that blends history, culture, and irresistible flavor. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filipino food stories and classic favorites. See you in the next video!